How to claim property, unclaimed property in California. Go to the web address I provided in the PDF, and when you click on it, you're going to see that the state of California itself has returned over $8 billion. So the easiest way is to put your last name in, first name in here. We'll do John, and then we'll do Smith, and we're going to hit search. As you can see, this little wheel is letting you know that it's working. It's trying to find you matches, and it will take a few seconds. It just depends on how much of data they have to go through. So John Smith should have some claims, and there it is, John Smith. Now some of these look under $100, under $100, over $100. Let's go under. But you could have multiple claims. If you lived on Melrose Avenue in Chula Vista, California, and you had an account with U.S. Bank North America, you would simply look up here and figure out it was a prepaid card. So maybe you didn't use $50 or $90, whatever it ends up being, and maybe you can get some more information on it. And so let's do info. Let's see if this one gives us a claim. I'm trying to go to the first page. Okay, a lot of the other ones down here that show info are showing notices. If you want to claim one, this you would see the claim button, and it would be visible. It would be lit up like that, so you would know you could claim it, and then you could continue on to the claim. So this is John Smith, U.S. Bank North America. The address is 1001 Crescent Drive, Beverly Hills, California, and it was an unredeemed certificate, and it's 50 cents. Now most people are not going to claim that, but if you wanted to claim it, you would have to say who's claiming it, and then you would fill out all the information, wait for an email, because the email will contain a list of documentation you'll need to upload. In the email will be included a link directly to upload to the state where you're claiming the property, and that's it. Then you have to wait 60 to 90 days to see if they get it back to you.